Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1969 Chevelle SS Tribute. Got the owner here of many years. Going to tell us a little bit about him. How we doing today, Nick?
Good, good.
Cool, beautiful car, man.
Thanks.
You had this one a while, right?
12 years.
12 years, that's a long time. For us, anyway.
Yeah, right.
So tell us a little about it.
Well, it's a 1969 SS Tribute, 396, 4-barrel, Holley Carburator. All original sheet metal with exception of the driver's door, the trunk lid, and possibly the hood. All the floors are original. The whole undercarriage of the car has been detailed.
Yeah, it's
Interior's in mint condition. New digital AM/FM radio with remote control and iPod connectivity and Bluetooth.
Cool.
It's got air conditioning.
Is that a
power
vintage
steering,
Air?
power brakes. Yeah, it's a vintage Air or classic Air,
Yeah.
whichever.
Cool. Oh, you got a 396 under the hood?
Yep.
What kind of horse? 350, 3 1/4? Beautiful paint too. 12-bolt rear, is it Posi?
Yep, 12-volt Posi, 355 gears.
Cool. Nice streetable gear too. LED lights all the way around. Brand new Rallies. They're wrapped in brand new tires.
Brand new
Real nice
Cobras.
stance too. Got air shocks in the
Air
back.
shocks in the back.
Okay. Buckets, console. Runs and drives beautiful. Always garaged. Man, it sits so pretty, you know. The stripes vinyl.
Yes. It's factory correct type of stripe.
Love the halos up front. It's pretty cool. Gives it like a little bit of a sinister look, you know. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Nice straight body. Buckets, console. Correct 3-spoke wood wheel. Really nice fitment of all the panels. All the turning signals, lights, all that work.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's check out under the hood. There it is, 396. Power steering, power brakes, disc up front, drum in the rear.
Yep.
Vintage Air. And the new style units blow nice and cold. Steel heads. Hooker headers. Looks like a new master. Electronic ignition. Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Got a 650 under there.
Yeah.
650 single pumper. MSD wires. New fuel pump. Was originally an air car too, which is pretty cool. So it's got air and heat.
Yeah.
Fire it up. What kind of trans? Turbo 350? 400?
400.
400. Launch headers, Flowmaster? What? Flowmaster? belts all the way around. Showing 64,552 miles. Gauges look kind of new, huh? Gauges look great.
Yeah, all new lens.
All new lenses. Yep, makes a big difference. Vintage sound. Got added gauges. Great oil pressure. New dash pad. SS mats. SS console. Even the interior light is LED. Beautiful headliner. Seat belts in the back. Perfect package tray. Can we take it for a quick ride? Great day for a ride. Oh, a little shift kit too. Yeah. Stall speed? Stall speed? No. Sounds so nice. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.